0 to 30 hours. Your task: set up a supply street for fleet and troops returning from the mission. Deadline for repairs and maintenance: 0500 hours. But what is the condition of the returning fleet? Patria OPTIME shows you exactly what to expect when those assets arrive, so you can prioritize repairs and manage your time. Next task: inform the mission planner which assets are available for the next phase of mission. Deadline: 0500 hours. You need an overview of remaining potential. You generate it with Patria OPTIME fast and simple, making your estimate fact-based and precise. The Patria OPTIME services empower you to master the unpredictable. Instead of uncertainty, there is clarity and control. You have a factual picture of your entire fleet in real time at all times. Patria OPTIME services are now strengthened by ILIAS software. Together, they provide tools and information to create a single source of truth for your operation. We are in it together, and the mission is accomplished.